What's up, guys? Welcome to my new video. Today we are finally back on the road. I just swapped my winter tires for the summer setup and the car feels incredible. It's much more direct now. We are heading toward the mountain in Gattorna. I'm starting to feel the grip, so I will start pushing a little bit more. I want to see how the car reacts in the corner with the new temperature. Okay, now we are moving. Every action you see is performed by professional, so don't try this. The stage 2 tune is working perfectly and the throttle response is super sharp, listening to the engine. Here we go! Tuner hits, let's hear those pops and bang! Oh my god, that sounds like a machine gun! This is why I love the stage 2 setup. That was inside, bro. The car is glued to the asphalt. Behind me, my friend Matt is still there, trying to keep up. If you want a full review of my rims and tires, just ask in the comment. I have a lot to tell you about the technical spec. Crazy tire. I hope you enjoyed this crazy drive in Liguria. Thank you so much for the support. If you like the video, please comment, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like and share it with your friend. This is Aki. See you the next one.